Today we are going to take a ride in the spaceship if Bigfoot can get in it.
We're gonna cruise around Kingston tonight, brother.
This is one of the fastest in the galaxy. It can skate on the toll.
I still can't believe your big self fit in the spaceship, Bigfoot.
Brother, I'm ready for fly.
All right, we'll start this thing up then.
Let me get a fly off of this. Trudy want to see me now. Me intergalactic. Them boy a talk about them skate pan toll. We fly over toll. Them a go think it's an alien invasion, you know? True, the whole city a go panic.
Yo, them dogs again. Them always chasing me.
This spaceship get faster. Yeah, and you never make me get a feel out of it.
I can't stand them wild dogs, man. Them don't like we at all.
Hey, Wagwan. What not doing that for the neighborhood, sin?
Yo, where we there? This no look like the right neighborhood.
True, my belly empty. Where the cook shop there?
Yeah, man, we will take the oxtail, rice and peas.
And we will take a large ginger beer with that. You hear?
Brother, this oxtail sweet, you see? But it's dear, eh?
Yeah.
True that, it lick the pocket hard, but the vibe's right.
My brother, that was a damn good lunch.
Yeah, man, proper.
But wait, we still have to pass them gangsters and the wild dog them to reach back to the spaceship.
I'm not afraid, we're afraid of them.
We just don't want to get into trouble with the police and NASA.
All right, pray for we. We are going to make it back to the spaceship. Until next vlog, you see me.